We're going to tap Page Editor to create some pages. You can see that the first page has a template of 4 buttons on it. Tap the button with the 3 lines and 3 dots on them next to the Home button on the bottom left. And you can see you can change the colour of the background. Lots of different options. I think we'll stick with the sort of bluish option. You can also choose the number of buttons you want on a screen at once. So from quite a lot to just 1. I think we'll choose 9. Tap away from that. And now we're going to add the first button. So as it says on the button, tap to add button. We'll do the first one at the top left. You can do any one you want first. In the centre of the button are the words button text. This you can move around, all around the screen, but as we usually do, we'll keep the text at the bottom of the button. To change what's actually written on that text, tap the button at the bottom of the screen that says A button text, and from there tap text button text, too many button texts, and change to the words you want to call that button. So we're going to call this first button My House. And once you're happy with what you've written, tap away. And you can see it says My House at the bottom. Now you want to add an image, and as you would expect, tap the button that says Add Image. And you've got the option to add an image either from the GoTalk image library, which has quite a lot of pictures in it, an internet search, find a picture you want from there. You can take a photo directly, or you can add a photo from your photo library, a photo you've taken earlier on. I'm going to add one from the image library. I'm going to type in house to search something. It looks quite nice. You can see there's lots and lots of options. This one here's got a picture of a person pointing to their house, so I'll choose that one. You can see it pops up after I've tapped it right in the middle of the button. I'd quite like it a bit bigger, so to do that, put 2 fingers onto the image and pull them apart. That also moves it around. You can make it as big as you like, or as really very small, but I think we'll make it about that size so it's above the writing. Okay, as you can see, when you hold down on the image, you get the option to delete it if you're not happy with that one, reset its position. You can crop it, bring it to the front if you've got a couple of images, and you can save that to the camera roll as well. I'm quite happy with that just now, so I'm going to tap away. Now we need it to have an action. So I'm going to tap action at the top left. You can see we've got a few choices. What's selected automatically is the text to speech option. So here we could put in My House and tap
My house.
Oh, do it again.
My house.
And if you're happy with that, that's what the button will say when you tap it. Or you can tap start recording and speak. My house. Stop recording and then play it to My house to see what it sounds like. Sounds okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stick to the text to speech. My house. Tap away and tap done. And then you can see your first button is made.